I'm going to show you how to use this snow cone machine. First, you put some and then you put this on, but not all the way. Plug it in, then turn it to on.
If it doesn't work sometimes, you have to open this and make sure that this is locked. Because if it's not locked, it will not spin. And don't fill up this area with ice too much.
If not, it won't work. Then we're gonna open this. Then you take some of these, you can get these online. It has 0 carbs and it's good. It has no sugar.
The brand is?
And the brand is like Time for Treats. And you can open it and just go. And then that's it. Bye.